Okay, guys, everything's plugged in. It is the moment of truth. Hopefully I didn't miss any plugs, and I obviously don't know what's going to happen personally with having the DDC suspension all unplugged and then my RCK3, which already had it disabled in the RCK3 right here from Emrys. So oh, I'm nervous. Let's make sure the pump's off. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got the engine light flashing, but that might go away when we start it. What's the screen say? We're getting Celsius, so it's Canadian. ABS flashing, range. Okay, so why are we getting that light? It might go away if I start the bike. Mode is slick mode. See if this thing makes a change. Yeah. So the DTC is still working. Flashers are working. And into the computer, trip 210. Let's reset that. Oops. Reset. Trip 2, 752, reset. Just to make me feel better. Average fuel mileage, kilometers, odometer, 6639. That's what was on Emrys. Okay, range, yeah. So we turn the key off again. Take another look. I'm pretty sure everything's together. The only thing that's odd is the suspension. That would be different from the previous setup. Okay, well, let's see if I got the starter switch off the kickstand correct. So, by starting the bike. Yeah, it went away. Woo! Let me shut this door here to the RMZ. She is smoking. All that metal protector. Spinning away. So the question is, when I put it in gear, oh, I don't really have a clutch. Shit, okay. Well, that's step one, guys. Burn off the metal protector. So I gotta actually tighten the clutch cable. Smoking. That's pretty cool. Because yeah, this whole thing has been metal protected, using it as a lubricant and cleaning. So that's why it's burning off. I wanted to show people what's going on with this tire. From the Canadian Superbike, they forced us to run Dunlops. And look what happened possibly in the winter. I don't even remember. Maybe it happened even before. But somehow, maybe it froze and then split. But so interesting. I'm not sure how deep it goes, but it's deep enough. Definitely goes a couple millimeters to start. Okay, so I need to be able to put it in gear. Oh yeah, I need a clutch. Okay, so I gotta get under the tank and tighten the clutch cable before I can do the next video and see if I have, I gotta like just cut it off or have it in the right position, because this goes to the kickstand, and it essentially, the kickstand will turn your bike off, right? If it's down. And there's the AMSOIL. Okay, turn the key off. Anyways, so yeah, and then here's Emrys, of course, just hanging out with some forks on the ground. And Merlin hanging out with no rear shock. Here's the DDC rear shock. The OEM headers. And there's the OEM front bodywork. There's that Akrapovac. Some other with the fairing stay. my radiator off of Emrys. We'll have to decide what bodywork we're gonna mix and match. So, and yeah, I was talking to Robert about what he wants to do with this OEM stuff. He says he would not be adverse to selling it. So, if you are interested in any OEM bodywork or specific parts, whatever they may be, something that you know I'm not going to use and can part with, or Robert's not going to use. So pretty much anything, you know, I just go on the microfiche, look up the OEM BMW price, the retail price on their microfiches from all the BMW dealers. It's easy to find. And then we will do half of that. So that's what I typically do, half of the OEM cost. And as you can see, this stuff, anyway, it had just over 1,000, 2,000 miles on it. It's very minty. This is the Motorsport from a 2015 in the tail. So, and yeah, Robert said if I take care of all this, he would split the proceeds with me for the OEM bodywork. So yeah, that'll be the next step, guys. Look at this setup. We're definitely looking forward to need some Seattle toolbox in here. Holy crap, it's smoky. All right, guys, I'm getting sick. Let's get outside here to the ocean. Get some airflow in here. Oh yeah, check it out. Trying to work a path up the driveway. It's all smoky in there.
I know. Well, I heard it.
Yeah, I was like, what? There you go. So, no codes, it started, engine light came off. The smoke's from the metal protector, the lubricant I use to put the exhaust together and clean it. Yeah, so we gotta get that crap out of there, but of course I didn't tighten the clutch cable, so I wasn't able to put in gear yet and figure out if I had the kickstand switch correct. So that'll be the next step, and shovel the Snowmageddon out there. All right, bye-bye, guys.